Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have another surprise package. Actually, it's a late Christmas package from the one and the only Cyber Curtain Twitcher. Link below in the description. Awesome channel, awesome guy, been around the community for a long time. Your de facto place to go for the destruction, the brutal destruction of fake silver. Indeed, that is our man. Him and Igor do a wonderful job there, and we're going to slice and dice away into success here as we open this thing up here. From various different angles here. Pull this thing out. I'm curious. I'm anxious to see what's inside of it. Thank you so much, CCT, in advance of me knowing what's in here. I'm going to thank you right here live on camera, even though this is a pre-recorded message. Very cool. All right. You know, one thing before I open this up, I don't know what's in here, but I will say he is quite the craftsman, and he is the author of the CCT slide. He's the author and designer and builder of it, as if it were a book, like he's writing it, right? He's an author. All right, I don't know why I said that, but this is the contents therein. Wow, lots of goodies, amazing. Whoa. Oh, and there appears to be some sort of card here. All right, let's see. Oh, Happy Easter. Okay, all right, Happy Easter from the UK. Very cool, look at that. And this card, saving your wealth and precious metals by destroying the fake. At the same time, learning how to enjoy savings. Very good. All right, at YouTube. Awesome. Thank you so much, my friend. Cyber Curtain Twitcher. All right, very good. First things first, we have this, looks to be like an astronaut type of material covering something here. You know, we might wait for that for last. Let's see what this stuff is here. Wow. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's some goodies. Look at this. Wow. Oh, twirl. Oh, those look good. Give twirl a whirl. Very cool. 5 bars. Oh, man. That is cool. Thank you. I'll have fun with this on a live stream or 9. That is awesome. Wow. And then we have other delightful goodies here. Edibles. We've got dairy milk Oreo. Ooh. Cadbury. And he knows I like to eat Oreos. There's live streams as well, so that's going to come in quite handy. Thank you so much, my friend. Very cool. And then we've got Nestle Caramac. Wow, never heard of that before. Interesting little discs of something there. I assume these are edible. With movies, I have no idea what these are, but we're going to try those, and we'll wait for a live stream to try those too. Very cool. All delightful goodies. Yes, indeed. But let's take a look and see what this is. Oh, I'm very excited. Let's see here. Let us cut carefully, because I don't know what's in here. And let's see here. As I slice and dice it up, pull this thing out here. That's what she said. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, there it is. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Wow. Ooh, no way. It is a Salivate Metal gallium round. Oh my goodness gracious, check this out. Now, I don't want to touch it because gallium, GA is gallium, I think that's how you pronounce it, but there is a famous CCT video you've got to see where he destroys a fake Chinese panda with gallium. It's a really clever video. I had no idea what was going on. Really didn't even know anything about gallium, but gallium is a metal that melts. If I'm not mistaken, it melts at 86 point some odd degrees. So I got to keep this thing cool, which means I'll probably end up putting it in the freezer for a while to maintain its shape. But he has made a copy. He made a fake. You know, this is the one time where CCT has actually created a fake silver coin out of gallium, and this is just amazing. Wow. I hope I can keep this thing cool. I almost see it sweating there to the oldies. Look at that. That's amazing how it held its form and the like over this long time. It's not that warm in here, but I'm not going to touch this. And I don't know what it does. They say it's not harmful to the hands, but I don't want to find out. But boy, that is really cool. Thank you so much, I mean, and it better stay cool. But that is really neat. Thank you, CCT. No wonder why. I'm going to put it back in this thing. This is material that I guess assume keeps things cool. And I will return it to its place. I don't know how long it's going to be able to stay like that, because as long as we keep it under 86 degrees, I think we'll be fine. And my temperature in this abode is definitely lower than 86 degrees. Thank you, CCT. This is one thing I don't want to melt. It definitely won't melt my mouth because I'm not going to eat it, and it won't melt my hands either. So multitude of gratitude to you, CCT. Thank you for this wonderful gift, and the chocolates and the little discs. It'd be cool to try them out. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to everyone else as well for watching this video. And I want to encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and melt at 86 degrees.